Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to share one of my all-time favorite treats with you, garlic bread pizza. This recipe is perfect for when you're craving something cheesy and delicious, but want to keep things simple and fun. First up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need a loaf of French bread, some unsalted butter, fresh garlic, parsley, oregano, basil, and of course, lots of cheese, mozzarella and Parmesan to be precise. And don't forget the marinara sauce. But first, let's thicken it up a bit. Toss in some canned diced tomatoes for chunky goodness. You can also throw in any toppings you love, like pepperoni or olives. Alright, let's get cooking. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, grab your French bread and slice it lengthwise. Now, let's make some magic with the garlic butter. In a small bowl, mix your melted butter, minced garlic and chopped parsley. Go ahead and brush this garlicky goodness all over the cut sides of your bread. It already smells amazing in here. Next, sprinkle on your dried herbs, oregano and basil. This will give our garlic bread that classic Italian flavor. Now it's time to layer on the marinara sauce. Spread it nice and even. Then shower it with all that shredded mozzarella. If you're feeling adventurous, throw on your favorite toppings. I'm going for some classic pepperoni today. To finish, sprinkle a generous amount of Parmesan cheese on top. This is going to add a lovely salty nutty flavor to our pizza. Pop your garlic bread pizza into the oven and bake for about 10-12 minutes. You're looking for that cheese to be bubbly and the edges of the bread to turn a beautiful golden brown. Once done, let it cool off for a bit before slicing it up. I know, waiting is the hardest part, but trust me, it's worth it. And there you have it, a mouth-watering garlic bread pizza that's perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a family dinner, a game night, or just a treat for yourself, this recipe is sure to impress. Don't forget to play around with the toppings and make it your own. Thanks for joining me today, and happy cooking! If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click at that bell icon for more delicious adventures. See you next time!